again, and today we're gonna make a square wreath.
My kids love helping with this. It's such a fun little science project. They get to watch the color make its way up to the top. It takes about 8 to 10 seconds, and then as soon as it's almost to the top or the bottom of the filter, you're done. I like stacking my filters to dry, and then you need to wait 48 hours before you can use them. Okay, so the biggest difference with doing a wreath that's a circle versus a square is your base has to be a square. So ours is 15 by 15 on the outside, and the inside is 9 by 9. And then you basically cut it out with an Exacto knife, and that's gonna be the foundation. Grab your square foam board and your coffee filters, and we're ready. Put a marker in the middle, fluff it up, turn it around, you see that flat part right there? Put a dab of glue on it. And then you basically wanna glue this down onto the foam board, starting from the outside circumference. So we're gonna go all the way around, and we want every single one right next to the prior one. In terms of spacing, every time you put down a dot, it's like the dots are touching each other. So just make sure when you put it down, it's right next to another one. And here's a time lapse because we love to see how fast we can work, even though we don't actually work this fast in real life. It's pretty fun though. Work your way all the way around the outside circumference.